4K camcorder. Video camera for YouTube Ultra HD 60fps 48MP with camcorder microphone. 360 video recorder for 3.0-inch IPS screen 18x zoom. IR night vision Wi-Fi plus remote and 2 batteries. Camcorder type video camera. Brand Acoletti. Special feature video paused. HDMI transfer. Wi-Fi app. Night vision. 270 degrees flip screen. Video capture resolution 4K. Connectivity technology Wi-Fi. Has image stabilization yes. Image capture speed 48MP. Image stabilization digital. Zoom type digital. Video capture format MP4. About this item. HD video camera 4K video camera for YouTube is equipped with the latest CMOS image sensor to provide up 48 million pixels of clear pictures and 60 FPS smooth video. The camera also has an 18x digital zoom to help you capture images flexibly and easily. Night vision cameras. The 4K 60 FPS camera is equipped with an infrared night vision fill light. Even in low light conditions, you can use the camera's night vision function to take black and white photos and videos. It is an ideal gift for photography amateurs and beginners. Dedicated app for camera. Download the dedicated app to connect to the Vlog camera's built-in Wi-Fi. You can easily connect your smartphone or tablet to share your moments instantly without worrying about running out of battery. Because this YouTube camera works while charging. Multifunctional camcorder. The camera for vlogging has rich features, such as slowly record, loop record, time record, white balance, exposure compensation, sharpness, sensitivity, video pause and more functions. What you get: 4K camcorder, USB cable, HDMI cable, 2 batteries, portable charger dock, handheld grip, microphone, lens hood, 4G remote control. Usage guide. Our worry-free 12-month warranty and friendly customer service. Note: this camcorder don't include SD memory card. 4K camcorder video camera. Camera for YouTube 48MP 60fps IR night vision IPS touch screen. Wi-Fi camcorder with 16x digital zoom. Microphone. Stabilizer. 4G remote control. 2 batteries, black. Camcorder type video camera. Brand and team. Special feature night vision. Video capture resolution 4K. Connectivity. Technology Wi-Fi. Zoom type digital zoom. Form factor compact. Lens type zoom. Prime. Screen size 3 inches. Flash memory type SD. About this item. 48MP and 4K touch video camera. The vlogging camera with flip screen adopts the newest upgraded chip, which presents you incredible 4K/60 FPS videos and 48MP photos. What's more, the 3-inch 270 degrees rotating IP touch LCD screen with 16x zoom allows you to capture and watch vivid pictures with precision. Remote control and Wi-Fi connection. Remote control to remotely control your 4K camcorder for videos in case if you want to be in front of the lens instead of being behind it. And it also allows you to set the vlogging camera for YouTube on a tripod, not included, and record when ready. The camcorder's video camera supports Wi-Fi connection for instantly viewing and sharing photos and videos. To share your photos and videos on social media by download app on your phone or tablet. 2 batteries and IR night vision. This video camera comes with 2 rechargeable batteries. Great for those of us always on the go and forget to charge up first when one of the batteries is used up. You can charge it immediately. It is not only saves time, but also ensures continuous use of the camera for YouTube. At the same time, the video camera camcorder comes with IR night vision function that allow you to take clear black and white photos or videos even in the dark. External microphone and pause function. The YouTube camera with external microphone with 3.5 mm jack, which adopts XY stereo technology. It can be used in family gatherings, conferences, lectures, courses, film production, etc. As for pause function, which makes it a good choice for YouTubers and vlogger. You can pause long video shooting at any point and continue from where you stopped without starting a new file. Webcam and multifunction. The video camera for YouTube can as a webcam. Download the software. Connect the camcorder to your computer with USB cable and select PC camera mode. You can stream directly to YouTube, Facebook and Instagram and make video chat. The vlogging camera supports 8 shooting modes. Including normal photos, flash record, slow record, loop record, time-lapse record, autophoto, continuous photo, timed photo. A perfect gift for friends, family members to record their lovely moments. VJIANGER video camera. 4K camcorder 48MP 18x digital zoom manual focus camera. 3.0 touchscreen vlogging camera for YouTube with Wi-Fi. 2. 4G remote control. Fill light. 2 batteries. Camcorder type video camera. Brand VJIANGER. Model name AF3. Special feature time-lapse. Video capture resolution 4K. Connectivity. Technology USB. Video capture format MP4. Form factor compact. Lens type zoom. Macro. Item weight 13.1 ounces. About this item. Movie camera 4K video and 48MP image video camera. The video camera supports up to 4K 60FPS video recording and supports 48MP high resolution photos. 60fps high frame rate brings you a smoother video experience. The camcorder supports a memory card of up to 256 GB. So you don't have to worry about shooting high-definition video and running out of memory. Movie camera 18x digital zoom camcorder. The camcorder supports 18x digital zoom. Even if you want to shoot the landscape in the distance, you can also easily get the desired photos. You can tap the photograph button on the camera, and a red focus frame will be displayed on the camera. The 3.0-inch touchscreen will turn green to indicate successful focus. Movie camera 4K camera with fill light. This digital camera is equipped with a fill light, and the camera can be used normally in the dark environment.